Through my the news of my trades as normal, but something I also want to look at is AI technology, and how it can help your business. So, just going through the news very quickly. Obviously, we've got Bloomberg just up on the screen there. Now, just have a quick look and see what's going on. For me, I'm mainly interested in what's going to affect US markets. London's oil party week is back with a talk of a coming rally. Okay, so oil steady. Okay. I mean, I am looking at maybe getting into oil at some point. So let's have a look. So oil's down at 76 at the moment. So it's sort of consolidating around this sort of price, $76. So that's something to think about. I mean, it's either going to come a lot lower, or it's going to go higher, or it's going to stay here for a bit longer. One of the three things. So, okay, so we got a lot about house prices. Okay, so quick scan of the news here. Okay, nothing standing out for me at the moment. But we need to look at the calendar for the week. So what's actually going on this week? So we can manage our trading bots. We can manage our current trades, and we can decide whether we're going to be putting on more trades or not. So tomorrow we have GDP, 8:30 London time. No, that's not 8:30 London time. That's needs to be reset. There we go. So it'll be 1:30 London time. We also have Japanese yen. And so we've got the governor speaking there, 4:10 UK time. We have Canadian dollar GDP. So that's going to affect the Canadian dollar quite a lot. Now I mean, if we're talking about oil, there's a forex actually which goes the opposite direction. That's dollar CAD with oil. So if you look at USD CAD, so that's sort of doing an opposite thing to what oil is, you see. So, I mean, technically, there's some okay cycles along here. Nothing really trending. I mean, this one. But anyway, that's really all that's going to be affected with the Canadian dollar potentially tomorrow. So then see what happens with oil as well. But 3 o'clock we have consumer confidence and the dollar. So that's going to affect the dollar potentially. It could be strong for the dollar. Dollar could be weak. So we'll have to see on that one. But I want to have my trading bots off before then, you see. So I've got to wait for them to get out of the trades. They're not actually in any trades at the moment. They have been this morning already. Just check them all out. Yeah, they're all out of. Actually, my third bot is actually in some buy and sell trades at $1,811 approximately. So that's good. That'll work itself out and make profits. Okay, so Wednesday we've got CPI for Australian dollar. We've got GDP. So okay, GBP. Sorry, Bank of England Governor Bailey speaks. So obviously that's going to affect the UK economy. We also have the dollar ISM manufacturing PMI. So that could affect the dollar as well as tomorrow's news at 3 o'clock. And then Thursday we have New Zealand dollar. And then we have Friday ISM services PMI. So I need to look into this, but I think the Wednesday PMI might be a trade through with the bots, and then the Friday PMI is the one when you have the bots turned off. Okay, so a quick look at the charts before we move on to the AI excitement. So really, gold has now pulled back to 1810. Okay, it's a weekly chart. So we have dropped, which I was expecting. I wasn't expecting quite so much of a bigger retracement or correction or drop. But technically, this is probably the 200 moving average. Let's have a look. Yeah, the 200-day moving average. So this green line here is really going to offer a lot of support for gold. It is at 1800 approximately. So the fact that 1800 is a round figure gives it more confirmation that 1800 is going to be the sort of the level. We also have technically a number of levels here. So you can see there's a bounce off 1800 here. There's a bounce of 1800 here, almost here, here. And then obviously it's broken through, come back up, bounced off it here, broken through, come back down. So technically we might have a bounce. Looking at the chart as well, you can sort of see that we haven't. It's not often that gold just continuously just drops like this without a bit of a retracement at least. So this is not the best conditions for the trading bots. The best conditions are sort of this, when we've got choppy movements up, down. The bot performs extremely well in this situation. Okay, so that's gold anyway. Same with silver, doing almost identical movements. Obviously moves in the opposite direction as the dollar. So is the dollar going to start pulling back or correcting? I mean, that has actually broken the 200 moving average on the dollar index. Space, so Virgin Galactic, we are waiting for that to recover. We're currently in profit a little bit on there. We also have platinum and palladium. Palladium has come down quite a lot, more than I expected. I've got a couple of trades on around about here. I'm currently in a negative drawdown on those. So once I get a bit of clarity, what I will do, I will average out. I'll buy some more at a lower level, and then I'll start averaging out my positions at a high level. Okay, oil, we spoke about oil before. It's ranging between $80 odd and $70 ish, $72. So that is there. Tesla, I'm waiting for a pullback on Tesla. Okay, pre-market has moved up a bit. I can trade pre-market over there anyway, so that's fine. But no, I want to see the price down here before I start looking at buying Tesla again. So let's just say, for example, there maybe 165-ish. Coinbase, okay, it's pulled back again. we need to wait and see what happens with that. Right, let's have a look at AI. Now, I've just put a post out this morning. I'm going to read it out today. So everyone seems to be talking about ChatGPT. So I'm not sure whether you've seen ChatGPT or not. But if you haven't, it's a great tool. You can basically write anything. You can ask it a question and it'll tell you. Excellent stuff there. So what I would suggest, if you haven't already seen ChatGPT, I mean, they are overloaded with their volumes of people using their system, but it's incredible. It's incredible what you can actually write and find out. You can write a book on it. Okay, it's better to go through the book and adjust it to your needs, your opinion, your views, etc. But it could provide a good starting point. So, what is AI and how can you use it to be more productive in your line of work? So AI refers to the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and natural language processing. So, the language thing, you could ask, write me a letter in Spanish or whatever language you want. So, and it would do that. Depending on what subject you wanted to write a letter in. So below I've listed a few of the AI productivity tools available. Each has their own unique feature and benefits. So Grammarly is one, which is an AI-powered writing assistant that checks your grammar, spelling and punctuation in real time. So Trello, this is one that I use actually for my project management and project planning. So it's a tool that uses AI to help you organise your tasks and track your progress. Zapier is another one that I use. I use this for my calendars. So, if someone sends you an invite on Outlook, then the Zap actually sends the invite into my Google Calendar, and then vice versa. So if someone sends me a Google invite, or if I use my Google invite for my actual my master calendar, but it gels them all together because it's a link. So that's pretty useful. Hootsuite Insights is an AI-powered social media listening tool that helps you to monitor your brand's online reputation and tracks mentions of your brand or products. So, these sort of tools, they're really, really good for testing, because, when you're on online marketing, it's all about the tests and testing, trying something out, split testing, trying one thing and another thing at the same time and see which one performs better. And then obviously use the better performing one and tune that one and evolve it and continue to make it more and more successful as you go through. So Otter AI is an AI-powered transcription tool that can help transcribe audio and video files in real time. It can be used for interviews, meetings, and presentations. So yeah, there's a few examples there. There's plenty more to look at. I really do feel that 2023 is going to be big for AI. We have a project we've actually just about launched involving AI as well. So this is a future. I believe this is a future of investments. It's in future of business as well, because you can literally use the tools, various type of AI tools, to manage your business, to streamline your business, to reduce costs. I've mentioned here in this post that we always want to go into a hotel and see a friendly face and have a chat with someone, because that's going to continue. AI could take over that, but it's not going to help the business. Hospitality needs people. That's what it's all about. But the AI comes in to a hotel, for example, potentially when you want to cost save, you want to save on wastage. You want to reduce costs, you want to increase the revenue for a business, using AI. So have a think about it. Look at AI. Look at these tools. Send me a message if you want to have a chat about anything. But I really do feel that 2023 is going to be because of ChatGPT. Really, I think that's why, the main reason why AI is really going to take off this year. So watch this space, guys. Okay, over and out. Have a good day, and I'll see you all in the next video.